Hey everybody, welcome back to this Sakura D5S Drift Kit build. Today we're going to be doing part 6, the front upper arm installation. Let's get started. This step we're going to need the contents of bag 5, and we also need to go back to bag 2 and 3 to get these two pieces and also these two pieces. Okay. Those are ready to go. Let's cut open bag 5. All right, looks like we're going to be starting with these arm pieces, and I think they're exactly the same. There's no left or right on this one. If we remember from previous videos, turnbuckles a little bit weird. One of the sides here is going to be righty-tighty, and the other side is going to be lefty-tighty. So let me figure out which is which. Okay, I got one side done. There isn't really a way to tell if it's left or right. You're just going to have to try it. Okay, both of them are done. Next up, we have to pay really close attention because there's a couple places that are very subtle. You can see there's two washers, one on each end, oriented this way. This is a 3mm, and this one's actually 3.5. And then the second place we need to pay attention is right here. The front screws are 10mm, and the back screws are 8mm. So we need to be careful about that as well. So let me figure out where those washers are. All right, now we're ready to put the arms onto the suspension mount, and I'm trying to see if there's a front or a back. Okay, so the holes obviously will face the arms, so it's going to be this way. Okay, and that's how it comes together. At first, we need to make sure this is in the right direction. So where there's these two tabs on each side is going to face the rear of the chassis, and it's going to line up with those two holes and those two holes. Let me set that down. Okay, again, there's two sizes of screws, 8mm in the back and 10mm in the front. All right, that's it for this video. We did the front upper arm installation. In the next video, we're going to work on the front and rear knuckle assembly. It's going to be a little bit longer, a little bit more involved. It's 2 pages, front and back. Then after that, we're going to work on the dampers. So if you got anything out of this video, please drop a like. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.